Hello guys, I am Divyanshu. Welcome to Div Attain, and in this video we're going to learn how to trim the eyebrow of a lady from this to this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to follow along with this picture, check the link in description. So say the image of this lady. We are having this lady who is having her eyebrow very rough, so we will sharpen this, but before that we will have to make a copy of this layer for extra safety. For that we have to click here over this layer and drag it to new icon. It will make a copy of it. Okay, we will make a copy of it. See this. Or another way of doing this is just pressing Ctrl or Command J. It did same thing. Okay, and so now we will go to lasso tool and stretch a line perpendicular to eyebrow. And add a very little bit feather of radius 1.6, and with this we will copy this to a brand new layer. For this we will have to press Ctrl or Command J, and now what we will do is we will press Ctrl or Command T. With move tool selected, we will move this according to our wish. You see where it seems fine to you, leave it there. Here it seems fine for me. I press enter and it's fine. And please erase extra areas. So with a very less flow of 9 is okay. So erase the border or the edge, you can see. Now it's fine. You can see before, after. What have been done? This is, you can see here. Now we will remove the repetitions and the hair to make the eyebrow more sharpen with this stamp tool, this clone stamp tool, and then have a sample, and then just take sample from nearby areas. Okay, so that there is no vast difference of light. Okay, or the thing you can do here is you can detach it from this area and select this patch tool, because the patch tool is used in islandish area. So we have detached it from this area and drag it down, and it's done. Here you can see this is done. This is fine. Okay, and now you go to clone stamp tool again and then do the same thing, sample and clone again and again. So I am making this video fast forwarded so that the video is not do not get long. So enjoy the video. And as you can see now, it's done. See before and after. What the vast difference. There is little bit left here. We will do it also. Or solve it also. Okay, so it's done now. You can see before after. And now we'll do the same thing with the upper part. Go again to layer 1, copy 2, and then have the lasso tool again and follow the same routine again and make a line parallel with the shape of the eyebrow, upper eyebrow, and This is done. Okay, and now just add a little bit feather to this selection. Increase the feather up to 2.8 is okay. And now what we will do is make a copy of this layer. For that we have to press Ctrl or Command J, and as you can see, this is up here. This is the copy of that layer. Erase this extra area. Okay, erase this extra area. Uh, if you're wondering how I did this, press Alt and over this eye it will back. For seeing this layer only, you have to press Alt and press over this eye icon. You can see this layer only and go back again. So here with move tool selected, we will move this according to our wish or our feeling how we want this to be, and this is okay according to me. First, with the eraser tool selected, erase the border. Okay, erase the border. Go and erase the border first. And this is okay for me. Here, as you can see, this is fine. And with the clone stamp tool selected, again we will follow the similar routine again and go to stamp tool and sample and paint. Zoom into the image. Please sample and paint. Sample by the nearby areas. Okay. And take the eyebrow. Save this eyebrow. Okay. What's happening? Just Alt to sample and then paint again. And as you can see, this have been saved. And what we will do now, one thing is we will erase extras. Here some of the extra area have been covered, which we will erase. Okay, to shape our eyebrow again. And as you can see, group this both, and then you can see what the difference we have made now. So press Ctrl Command G for grouping these layers and then see what the difference we have made. So we have made the sharpening, all the sharpening have been done, all sharpening have been done. So what the difference is, you can see by your eye only. So this is very small thing, but it do matters. So let's see what we have done till now. So it's fine. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you don't, dislike. All. Thanks for watching.